Okay, we shall come to the second example of the twin matrix case. So this is the question. So you have to find the minimized or simplified expression for this particular problem, which is having the four variables a, b, c, d, and the min terms are 0, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 15. So as I was telling you, the table 1. So we have to use a method of table 1. So the first is nothing but the min terms. Okay, the min terms, and next comes the binary representation. Okay, binary representation. So what are the min terms they have given here? 0, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 15. Okay, 0, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 15. So what is the binary representation for 0? It is 0, 0, 0, 0. For 1 it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 8 10 11. Okay, 15. So these are the binary representation. 8 plus 4 is what? 12 now. Okay. See, if you are making a wrong representation, then your whole problem will go wrong. So this representation is very important. Be very careful. If you are not sure, please use calculus to get the binary representation. So 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, it is 11. Okay, it is perfect. So this is the table number 1. So coming to the next, that is the table number 2. So you have to group it. You have to group it based on the number of ones. So first I will write the main terms. Okay. Next comes the binary representation. So the first group will be having a 0 number of ones, so therefore I will write only 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, that is a 0th group. Next, the binary representation having a single number of 1 is what? 1. Okay, next is what? 8. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. The group which is having two number of ones is 3, 9, that's all. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Next, the group having the binary representation having three number of ones is 7, 11 and 15. So make sure all the midterms are ticked. I mean it is marked. So 7 is 0, 111. 11 is 1, 0, 111, 15 is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1. So this comes in the fourth group. The fourth group will be having four number of ones. So totally how many groups are there? 0th group, first group, second group, third group and fourth group. Okay. So the first group is having 0 number of ones. The 0th group is having 0 number of ones. The first group is having a single number of ones. The second group is having 2 number of ones, and third group is having 3 number of ones, and the fourth group is having 4 number of ones. So this is how you have to rewrite the table of 1 as 2 like this. So if you write till here, you will be getting 2 marks. Next, table number 3. Table number 3. Now you have to start comparing with the first term with the second. Okay, if I am comparing the group number 0 with group number 1. So on what basis I will compare? If there is a small, if there is a single bit change in its position, then I can consider that. So 0, 1 I can write it. So min terms and its binary representation. Okay, 0 with 1. So first 0 with 1, next 0 with 8. Okay, so 0 with 1, is it possible? Yes. So only one bit change in its position. All the 3 bits are same, only one bit change in its position. So therefore I can write it as 0, 0, 0 dash. Next 0 with 8. So dash 0, 0, 0. So this is being compared with all these two. Next I have to compare with 1 with 3, 1 with 9, 8 with 3, 8 with 9. Okay, so 1 with 3. Whenever I am comparing 1 with 3, you have to put a line after comparing the terms from 0, 1, 1. You have to put a line there. Next, 1 with 3. So what will be your representation? 0, 0 dash 1. Okay, so this has been compared. So So 1 with 3 is done. 1 with 9 is it possible? Yes. 1 with 9 is also possible. So dash 0 0 1. So now 8 with the 3. 8 with 3 is possible? No. Because see 1 is getting changed to 0, 0 is getting changed to 1, 0 is getting changed to 1. So 3 will change its position. So I cannot compare 8 with 3. 8 with 9 is possible. So let me write 8 with 9. That will be taking 1 0 0 dash. Okay. So this is also being compared. Next, what I have to do? 3 with the 7, 3 with 11. 9 with the 7, 9 with 11. Okay, so 3 with the 7 means, can I compare it? Yes, obviously 3 with the 7, what will be the answer? 0 dash double 1. Next, 3 with 11, is it possible? Yes, 3 with 11 is also possible, that is 3 with 11, 0 means dash 0 double 1. Okay, 9 with the 7, is it possible? No. See here, 2 bits are getting changed, 9 with 7 is not possible, 9 with 11, 9 with 11 is possible, okay, 9 with 11 is possible, 1 0 dash 1, 1 0 dash 1, okay. Next, what I have to do, I have to come, so this is been done, so put a line, okay, now I have to compare 7 with 15 and 11 with 15, so 7 with 15 is impossible. 7 with 15 is possible. Okay, 7 with 15 is possible. You will be getting dash 1 1 1. And 11 with 15 is also possible. 11 with 15 is also possible. You will be getting dash 1 dash double 1. So how many groups you are getting here? You are getting 0 group, first group, second group, and third group. Okay, these are the things that you are getting. So now I will be writing the table number 4. So again you have to write the midterms and its binary representation. Okay, you have to be very patient while solving this particular problem. It is a very important and a mark scoring problem. Okay, so now I have to compare 0 with 1. Okay, 0 1 with 1 3. Is it possible? No. See here, the last position is dash and the last position is 1. I cannot compare it. So is there any last position? Yes. So can I compare this? Yes. So 0 1, okay, 0 1 8 9, 0 1 8 9. If I compare, we are getting dash double 0 dash. Okay. So next, 0 8 with 1 3 is possible? No, it is not possible. 0 8 with 1 9, yes, it is possible. 0 8 with 1 9 is possible. See here, 0 8 with 1 9 is possible, but I shouldn't write 0 8 with 1 9. I shouldn't write because the same numbers is there already here. So therefore I shouldn't consider this particular min term. 0 8 with 1 9 and 0 8 with 8 9 is it possible? No. So therefore 0 1 8 9, 0 1 0 1 8 9 is compared. Okay. Rest of the things it is not possible. 0 8 with 1 9 is also possible. So this is not possible. Next, so this comparing with one group is done. Now I have to consider the next. I have to compare the terms in first and second. So 1 3 with 3 7 is it possible? No, because see 0 is getting changed to dash and dash is getting changed to 1. If there is a change in its bit position, I should consider. So 1 3 with 3 7 not possible. 1 3 with 3 11 not possible. 1 3 with 9 11 is possible. Okay, 1 3 with 9 11. 9 11 is possible. 1 3 with 9 11. Then you will be getting this dash 0 dash 1. Dash 0 dash 1. Okay, so 1 3 with 9 11 is possible. Next, 1 9 with 3 7. 1 9 with 3 7 is it possible? No. 1 9 with 3 11. 1 9 with 3 11 is possible. Okay, 1 9 with 3 11 is possible, but I should not write because 1 9 3 11 is already there. Okay, 1 9, but you have to put a tick mark there. 1 9 with 3 11 is already written. 1 9 with 9 11 it's not possible. Okay, so 8 9. Now 8 9 with third midterm in the first group with all of that you have to compare. So 8, 9 with 3, 7, is it possible? No. 8, 9 with this, no. With this, no. Okay, fine. So this is done till here. You are comparing the group 1 and group 2 is done. Now you have to compare 2 with 3. 3, 7, 7, 15, is it possible? No. 3, 7, 11, 15, is it possible? Yes. 3, 7, 11, 15. On what basis I am telling so fastly whether it is possible or not? See the dash. The dash is in the second position. Here also the dash is in the second position. So then after we can check it. So 0 is getting changed to 1. Dash is dash. 1 is 1. 1 is 1. So therefore I can write it as dash dash double 1. Right? And I can put a tick mark for this. Okay. Next. 311 with the 715, is it possible? Is it possible? Yes. 311 715 is possible, but it's already written, so therefore no need to do it. 911 with 311 with 1115, no, it's not possible. 911 with 715 also not possible. 911 with 1115 also not possible. So this is the last thing that I can do it. And table size is possible when I compare this and this. So this is a group number 0, group number 1, and group number 2. So now, is it possible to compare this and this? No, it is not. See, dash is getting to the same, 0 is same, but 0 is changing to dash and dash is changing to 1. So I shouldn't try this. There are two changes in position, so I shouldn't consider that. Next, this and this I can compare. No, dash is dash, but 0 is changing to dash and dash is changing to 1. So therefore I cannot write the table number 5. So now the next thing what I have to write is, I will erase all these things. So you have to write the prime implicants. Let me erase even this also. Okay. So the prime implicants. Okay. Next step will be the prime implicants. Okay. Then the decimal value, decimal equivalent. Then the mid terms or whatever they have given in the question. That is a 0. Okay. 1. Then 3, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 11, then 15. So write down all these 3 terms here. Okay. So 0, 1, 8, 9. Next is 1, 3, 9 and 11. 3, 7, 11 and 15. So now, what is the decimal equivalent for that? So this is the decimal equivalent. Okay, just make a change there. So this is prime implicants. Okay, these are prime implicants and these are the decimal equivalent. This is the decimal number, right? So prime implicants are what? Prime implicants are 0, 0 means that is B bar and C bar. Okay. Next 0, 1 means B is taking 0, D is taking 1, so therefore B bar, then D. Then this is A, this is C, D. This is C and D. Okay. So now, how to write down how to mark it is 0, next is what 1, next is 8, next is 9. Here 1, 3, 9 and 11. Next 3, 7, 11, 15. 3, 7, 11 and 15. So which column is having a single into mark? So this column is having a single into mark. So therefore, okay, this column is having a single into mark. So therefore write it as like this. And this column is having a 2 into mark. This column 2, this column a single one. This is having a single one. This is having 2, this is having 2, this is having a single. So I have to take this, term and I have to take this term as a essential prime implicants. Okay, as a essential prime implicants, what is the answers? So B bar, C bar plus C, D. This is the essential prime implicants. Now you have to check for the reduced essential prime implicants whether it is possible or not. See here 0, 1, 8, 9. 0, 1, 8, 9. Then 3, 7, 11, 15. 3, 7, 11, 15. getting cancelled. So this is your final answer. This is your final answer. That is B bar C bar plus CD. Understood? Please take down.